Hi, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm going to give a little review about a dish brush set that I just received. So I'm going to get this opened up and show you guys what it looks like, and then we're going to try it out on some dishes. So the packaging is absolutely beautiful for this. It would make for a really nice gift, and you wouldn't really have to do much other than give it. All right, so in this beautiful set, you get a natural loofah sponge. This is going to be amazing for day-to-day kind of stains and grime and grease. And it does have a convenient strap so you can hang it up to dry. Then there is this long handle dish brush. This has pretty dense, firm bristles, so it's going to be great for tougher stains. And the brush head is actually removable, so you can pop it off here if you need to. Then you get these two separate hand brushes. They have a really nice, comfortable shape to them. This one again is kind of firm and very dense like the long handle brush, and then this one is a bit softer. So one you can use for more simple stains or gentle cleaning, maybe like fruits and vegetables. And then the other one for tougher, hard to get off grease and grime. And then you get this really nice soap holder. So this set is obviously very beautiful and appealing to the eye. I love that it's really all natural materials. So natural woods, palm fibers, coconut fibers, sisal, and loofah. I love the long handle brush for larger pots and pans or like deeper cups, and that's going to be really good for your stainless steel pots and pans, things that aren't going to scratch. Then your softer bristle hand brush is going to be good for your non-stick items and like your tableware, say your utensils and stuff that you really don't want to get scratched up. And the loofah is a quick and easy grab for, simple cleaning, more gentle cleaning. I really love all of the pieces in this set, and I know that they're going to be super useful to me, even if it's not with dishes, if it's cleaning around the kitchen, say for my stovetop, microwave, you name it. There's definitely some more places that these could be super handy. So if you were looking for a dish brush set or like a cleaning brush set, I think this is a great option. And I love that the materials are of a natural source, so I would definitely give them a try.